morning friend. Today I am going to discuss about the routing example in Angular 7. Say every time we are creating component, we have to add in the app component.html, right? So if you have 100 of component, you have to put it in the HTML. But suppose based on the URL, we have to change it automatically. We don't have to write it explicitly in the app component.html. So it's a just we have to write here in the router.outlet. Otherwise, what happened? I have created multiple components. Say take component, home component, HR help desk learning. Everywhere we have that ts, we have the app home, we have for that selector we have to add here, right? For routing we don't have to add it. So what we have to do, we have to do in the routing. So first we have to create applications where routing will be supporting, right? So after creating ng new with the application name, you will get that would you like to add Angular routing. If you say yes, then project or application will create accordingly. Okay, so this is the first thing you have to do that. And after that I am going to create say multiple component here. So according to the picture I have create total 4 component, and one more component say home, and one component is a take components is the based on the say here learning, more input in the learning. Okay, so this is the way we have to do that and create the component. And if we check inside the generated project, you will see here that in the app module.ts, that app routing module, what is this? This is from the app-routing.module.ts. so this is automatically included here. Okay, and if you check inside, so here we see that const routes. So here we have to add that key value pair. Okay, and if we see the package.json here, at the rate angular slash router will be included here. So this is the generated. I have not added single line of code after creating application which will support router. And the key value pair, the similar to the picture, we have to add the key value pair here. And regarding workflow, here in the app routing module.ts, this is the generated file, and here we have to add that. So for home we will get the home component, profile component, as we have discussed in the picture, hr component, payroll component. And if it is a just a simple just space, it will redirect to the home. Okay, and have to mention path match. So if we just localhost 4200, it will go to the home. Okay, so we will open the home component. And I have already mentioned that in the app component.html, instead of every component selector, I have to just write the router outlet. So that's all. And here for take component, I have just given for to check in the console place. We can do the same things for web service call. Here we see that learning, with the learning, if we just add anything, so say java, it will invoke the take component. Okay, so we have created already the take component. We have not created specifically take component here, but after learning, if we specify technology, it will invoke the take component. And in the take component, it will invoke the take component. And also in the console, how it will activate. So from console we can know the same thing. Here I have to define the activated router. Here is the variable, this dot router I have 123 dot map and subscribe. that is asynchronous web service call. So here is the lambda with the variable console.log. Same thing we can do in the HTML also. Okay, so this is the simple way to make the routing. Okay, thank you very much.